Okay, so now we got the texture in Substance Paint. So you have to get the texture to Maya. So that is how to export the mesh to the Substance Paint, then created the maps. Then now I like to apply here. So that I'll explain now. So for that, what you can do, right click, assign new material, and go to the Arnold shaders, and I will give the standard surface. Go to the shaders, AI, standard surface. So this side you can see your standard surface properties. So in the color map, you can use that base color. So this is the for color. The right side you can apply the map. So this checker box you can see. Just click and go to the file, and again browse that. So it is in D drive. I put it in this folder. In the tool substance folder I created, and this is the base color what you created in Substance Paint in last video. So press 6, you can see the what you created there, but looks more dark. So what you can do, color space you have to change here to raw. So you'll get the actual settings what you applied there. So then you can go back, and you can see the color is map is, then you have to use the roughness map. So roughness map you can use the specular color, and you have to create the map in this color map. All right. So go to the file and write. So D drive, rebash, Maya, okay, and substance. So the what is the roughness map? So this is your roughness map, right? So the open, and this is done. Then finally, you have to apply the normal map. So that is under geometry tab. You can go to geometry. In that geometry, you can see the bump mapping. So go to bump mapping, and go to the map, and go to the file, and choose tangent space normal. And again, go to the file tab and browse that. Again, go to the D drive and ZBrush. Then we have Maya, then Twinkle, then Substance. Why is the normal map? This is your normal map. Okay, so you can see the details of the cloth that which that uh, cloth surface details you given. That normal map is generated here. Even in stitching also, all those things looks nice. Okay, so this also don't keep color space sRGB. You keep it raw. This will come exact things so that it looks like dark. Even if also that roughness map also specular map that you go to the again and change to the raw. So that's all. So press 3, and you got the final output of the texture. So this is the way you can create the model in Maya, and create the UV layout. So you can see your UV editor, and you can see the this is your layout, and this is the your texture is applied here, and it is everything is under this U1, U0, and V0. So this is 0 to 1, and this is 0 to 1. If you want multiple tiles, you can create that is another method. You can learn UDIM. Maybe some another video I can teach that in multiple tiles. So that's what this t-shirt texture is done using Maya and Substance. So next class I'll teach you how to create the pant texture. Right. So hope you understood.